People, Chrisman Cat here. It's Thomas and the Magic Wheel at NBC. Thomas is chasing after Annie and Clarabelle. Comes in the big city. Here I am right now. I'm watching him. He shunted Annie and Clarabelle back to the yard, I think. He has all the other agents. Henrietta, Toby, Percy, Gordon, and Henry and James, and Bertie, the bus. This is just an amazing story. This story is called Thomas the Tank Engine, Thomas and the protests. Thomas is a very busy engine. He likes to look after freight cars and some other stuff. Also, he always likes to be his very useful engine stuff. His friends can rely on him that he can be very useful. But one morning, the engine felt really flattered. I just don't know what's going on, said Toby and Henrietta to each other. Why? Asked Gordon. Replied Toby. I just don't know what's wrong with me. You better get special coal or you run out of water, teased Henry. No, said Toby. Henry's driver told him to stop arguing. Henry knew he's not supposed to argue. Soon, Thomas and Percy talked to each other. Thomas had to back onto Annie and Clarabelle. Then he had to be coupled up to Annie and Clarabelle. What's going to be the matter, Thomas? Thomas had to search Annie and Clarabelle. Come back! Yelled Gordon. Well, said Percy suspiciously. I don't know what's going on, but I'm Old Faithful. Just then, James's driver took him to run around the tracks. Then he disappeared. There was James again. He made a car. Oh my gosh! Cried James. What's happening to me? His drivers looked. You're broken down, James. You can't take a special train anymore. Oh, bother, said James. Just then, Percy was talking to himself when Sir Topham had arrived. Percy, I need you to take some freight cars to the docks. I don't know where freight cars are. Toby, you must be very careful on this line. Yes, sir, replied Toby. So Toby went with Henrietta. Toby went with Henrietta for the rest of the day. They had a wonderful day. The tracks felt really sticky, but Toby wouldn't give up. I must go to the harbor. I must, said Toby. But Toby had to. Night came and Toby couldn't see. Oh dear, I can't see, said Toby. Not long now. Toby felt it looked like spooky. He saw the windmill and didn't know where he was. Oh dear, people are going to laugh at me. Suddenly, Toby noticed something on the track. He thought something was scary, so he went faster. His speed grew faster and faster. Henrietta ordered him to slow down, but Toby wouldn't. Toby felt very lonely and scared. He went up to 70 speed. He went faster and faster. His driver couldn't apply. Toby tried to apply the brake, but it was no good. Oh! Then Toby began to roll backwards. Then he went and disappeared. What could have happened to me? Cried Toby's driver. That morning, everything changed. I think everyone's gonna... Toby was parked in the siding near the house. Soon all the engines were back in effort. Gordon and Henry were at Nafford. They just both thought they... Toby arrived that later on. Suddenly he began to feel pain. He tried to be careless, but he wouldn't. Then it grew. That morning everything didn't change. Night came and it was very dark. Toby had an accident, was in a terrible crash. He tried to stop trying to get up, but he wouldn't. Toby, you're acting all up, said Toby's driver. Don't blame me, said Toby. I'm not careless. When Thomas decided to collect Annie and Clara instead. Soon, he had to be coupled up.